If you get this error on your web browser, you are the right place now. In this video, I am going to show how to fix this issue in Windows 10. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel. Let's start. First, try to troubleshoot problems. It automatically resolve this issue. So go to Wi-Fi icon, right click on your mouse and troubleshoot problems. Click on troubleshoot problems. If not work, checking your network cables, modem and router is properly connected or configured. Turn off your router for 10 seconds and turn on. If not work, reconnect your wireless network device and connect SSID network. If not work, follow this instruction. Right click on Wi-Fi icon, then click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Now click on Wi-Fi and then click on Network and Sharing Center. Okay, now open SSID of this Wi-Fi network and see IP version 4 connectivity, internet access, if you found internet access is available, then click on properties and then click on internet protocol version 4 TCP IP version 4 and then click on properties. You need to set DNS server address for Google, and this is and check validate settings. Upon exit, mark this and then click on OK and close. It will fix this issue. Windows Network Diagnostics detecting the problems and automatically resolve this issue. Okay, close this and close and go to a browser and reload and get the result. Please subscribe this channel, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.